Hi
Hello,
there. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Doing fine as well. I've had a
Oh,
nice day.
yeah. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Oh, wow, such a beautiful name.
Thank you. And what's
Yeah.
yours?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Yes.
Would you
Where are you
say that?
from?
I'm from the United States. I live near Chicago.
Wow. And
Yeah,
I'm from India.
great. What part of
Yes.
India?
In northern part?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a baby in the background?
Yes, my nephew.
Oh, nice. He
Yeah.
is he
He's sleeping right now. But
mhm. Is he visiting or does he normally live in the same house with you?
yeah.
He does. So
Yes.
fun. My cousins live very far away. Oh my
He's
gosh.
my nephew.
Hi, baby.
Mm,
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
So, uh, um, so I want you to ask me small questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm,
For the lesson.
yes. Any questions you ask me, you can ask
Okay.
me. Yes.
Would you like it to be a casual conversation or is this something you're practicing for work or school or something?
No, no, casual.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. How about tell me a little bit about your hobbies and
Mm.
interests?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I
Take your
like
time.
no problem. I like reading
Okay.
and I like painting as well, and I like cooking. Yes,
Okay. Great.
these are my hobbies.
I also like painting. Let me show you one that I made yesterday.
Wow.
It's kind of silly, but I think painting them is fun.
Oh my gosh, very
It's a little
nice,
fruit.
beautiful.
I put glitter on his little butt.
Yeah. So you use watercolor?
These are acrylic paint, so it's kind of like a thick, creamy paint.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you use?
I use sometimes I use watercolor
Yeah.
and some um sketch pens,
Like for pencils.
sketching
Yeah.
pens. Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. That's so cool.
Yeah.
I try to be very easygoing or very relaxed when I'm painting, and some
Yeah.
people won't paint with me because they take it too seriously.
Yeah.
They're too strict,
Uh,
and they
you know,
want
uh,
like,
in yeah, yeah. In my life, I want to become a big painter.
mhm,
Yes, I really like painting,
that's a
and
great goal.
mehendi designs.
I am not sure.
Mehendi. Okay, you can
Like,
check on the
what
Google.
is it called? Uh, Type it for me. Henna? Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Hmm. I don't recognize that word, but is it's on your hands and your wrists, and it
Yes,
is
yes.
yeah made
Yeah.
from a leaf color.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Red colors, black colors, different types
awesome.
of. Yes.
I have had that done twice to me. I don't
Yeah.
think it's been authentic Indian Mahandi design, but it still was cool, and it lasted for like a week.
Yeah.
It's like having a temporary tattoo.
Oh, do you like tattoos?
Hmm. Yeah,
Mm.
I
Okay.
have a little cat on my foot. One of
Mm-hmm.
my hobbies is yoga, and so I got a cat and a cow on my foot so that when I do yoga, I look at my feet and can see that art. and be excited by it.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay. So, what is the situation of the coronavirus in your country right now?
That's a complicated question. I I am leaning more on the progressive side that has
Yes.
been very careful, very safe, has given many sacrifices throughout the
Yeah.
last 2 years. So
Yes.
I'm frustrated. I got vaccinated a long time ago.
Oh.
And yeah, I think we have seen decline in progress
Oh.
all across the whole country. So we have
Okay.
about half of our citizens have
Mm-hmm.
vaccines.
Yes.
But it's not enough, and it just keeps getting crazier. So yeah,
Okay.
what about you? What is
Yeah.
India?
In here, it's uh small cases and of corona positive.
Hmm.
Yeah, corona positive. Yes. So right now, in here, everything is okay.
Hmm.
It's better right now. Yeah.
It's better. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Are most businesses open, and do you wear masks? How does that?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Some people wear mask and yeah.
Yeah, some people. I
Yes. Some
feel like
people.
every time I go out of the house, there are so many people without masks,
Oh,
and it just
so
makes me
you
anxious.
go outside?
Yeah, like if I went to a supermarket right now, I would probably be one of maybe 50 people wearing a mask.
Oh,
Um, so most people are not, but our top scientists are saying everyone please wear one. So I think people just don't care as much anymore. It's too bad.
okay. So right now you are in America.
Yeah, right now I'm near Chicago,
Chicago.
so like
It's
two
state
hours
name?
away. The state name is Illinois. It's like right in the middle of the country.
Okay. You live in northern part or western
It's
area?
it's like middle north. Yeah,
Okay.
but pretty much if this is the country, it's just right in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
So have you ever been visited in California?
I have visited
Mm.
California. My cousins live there. How about
Oh,
you?
no.
No. Have you been
Actually,
outside your country?
next time, next month, next year, I want to go.
Yeah, that'd be exciting.
Yeah, yeah. So that's why I'm asking with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you go by yourself or with friends or family?
With my brother.
With your brother?
Yes.
Is he a good person to travel with?
Sorry?
Is he a good person to travel with?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think my brother is too picky with food. He is very
Oh.
particular about what food he eats,
Okay.
so it makes it hard to travel.
Okay. You have any brothers and any sisters?
I just have one brother. It's a
One
small
brother.
family. Hmm.
Oh, he is younger.
He is younger. Yeah.
Okay.
What about you? What is your family like?
Yeah. I have two older brothers, one older sister.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
I feel like some people on Cambly have huge families, like way more than I would think.
Yes. Yes. In India, very huge.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
The culture is very different too.
Yes.
So, what are you going to do the rest of your day?
Sorry.
What are you going to do during the rest of your day?
Uh.
Or for the remaining part of your day?
Yes.